Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Ford Escape SEL. Under the hood we have a 1.5-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black, looks fantastic. Got that Ford badging up front there with your projector-style headlights and your fog lights down there. And coming around the side here we do have our tires. They look great. You got lots of tread left on them as well, and they are the 17-inch rims. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have the SEL badging, the Ford, and the Escape. Now you also got your backup camera right there, and you can open it up just right underneath there. It is an automatic open, just like that. Looks fantastic back here, lots of room. You can fold these guys up, and you got your spare tire just underneath, and those seats do fold forward as well. Okay, let's see, we got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, that one to open up the back, and our panic there. Let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. Got your handle here and some storage down here. Looks awesome in here. It is leather seating, very comfortable. You got the controls over the seats here, so backward, forward, tilt and lumbar support. And then over here, we got the controls over the lights. So we have our auto, off, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as our fog lights, in-cabin light, and that one does open up the back. Then we do have our turning signals and high beams right there. Let's start her up here, key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Now right in the center it does also tell us our trip to, which is our speed, and how many kilometers we have on the vehicle. Now we can switch that around to our trip odometer. We also have our average fuel, instant fuel. We have our distance till empty, trip timer, and all sorts of different information. We can switch that around to our trip 1 and 2 information and our settings. That is controlled from right here, with your cruise control options there, horn in the center, and then your volume and Bluetooth options. You also have your control over your windshield wipers right in the center. And then right there we do also have our radio. So it is a touchscreen display here. So you do have over here your AM, FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as your CD and your Bluetooth. You have your phone options here, navigation right over here, and then you do also have your different apps and your settings, and when you are in reverse you have that ever useful backup camera keeping you safe. CD player is just up there, and down here we do have our tuner, we have our skip, volume and the power, source, sound, display, eject, and then down here we do have our climate control, so the heat up and down. You got the power, you have your on and off, circulation, your mode, rear and front, defrosts, and then you have your heated seats, your max, and then you do have a dual climate system for your passenger, so you can have different levels of hot or cold, stop start options, and then down here you do have your traction control, and you have your USB plug-in. Gear shift is here with some cup holders, electronic parking brake, as well. You got some storage there, and more storage right here. It is dual layer, so you got lots and lots of room. Then you do have your glove box with your owner's manual inside of it, just over there. And then up top you do have the control over your sunroof, and your sunglass holder right there, and it is a massive dual sunroof. Looks fantastic. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control of your windows, a handle here, and some storage. Looks awesome back here as well. Same material as the front. The leather is very comfortable. You can fold this guy down. You got an armrest with some cup holders. You can also fold these seats down just right here, and then folding it down just like that, then you do have even more room. Here's our 1.5-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2018 Ford Escape SEL. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.